Next problem. If y is equal to 2 root 2x plus c is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 16, then find the value of c. Given equation of the circle x square plus y square equal to 16, that is 1, and the tangent line is y is equal to 2 root 2x plus c, that is equation number 2. We know if y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square, then c is equal to plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square, right? Here the radius of 1 is r, that is equal to root 16, right? R square is equal to 16, r is equal to root 16, that is equal to 4. Slope of 2 is m, y is equal to mx plus c, right? M is nothing but 2 root 2, coefficient of x, right? Therefore c is equal to plus or minus 4 into substituting all the values, right? R root of 1 plus m square, 2 root 2 square, which is equal to c plus or minus 4 root 2 1 plus 4 into 2, that is plus or minus 4 into root 9, that is equal to 3, 4 plus or minus 4 into 3, that is equal to plus or minus 12, right? That is the value of c. Next problem. Find the equation of the tangent and normal at 1, 1 to the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. So we know the tangent and normal at p x1 y1 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 are respectively. So tangent equation x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. And the normal equation is yx1 minus xy1 plus g into y minus y1 minus f into x minus x1 equal to 0. Here given circle is 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. So write it in the standard form. So divided the equation by 2, right? So you will get x square plus y square minus 2 by 2x minus 5 by 2y plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 0. So rewriting the equation, x square plus y square minus x minus 5 by 2 into y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So 2g is nothing but the coefficient of x, that is equal to minus 1. So g is equal to minus 1 by 2. 2f is the coefficient of y, that is equal to minus 5 by 2, that is equal to, so f is equal to minus 5 by 2 into 2, 4. Then constant term c is equal to 3 by 2, right? Now here the point is 1, 1. We need the tangent and normal at 1, 1. So instead of x1 y1 you put 1, 1. First equation of the tangent. So using the formula x1 x into 1 plus y1 y into 1 minus g, that is g plus g, that is g is minus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2, x plus 1, right? X plus x1, then plus f is minus 5 by 4 into y plus y1 y plus 1, then plus c, that is plus 3 by 2, that is x plus y minus 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 4y minus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So grouping x term, so we are having 2x term, x minus 1 by 2x, so common x, so 1 minus 1 by 2 into x. Similarly y term, 1 minus 5 by 4y, then constant terms minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So you will get 1 by 2x minus 4 minus 5. So you will get, taking LCM, right? LCM and solve, 4 minus 5 by 4, so minus 1 by 4. Here 4 is the LCM, so 2 plus 2 minus 5, right, plus 6, right, whole divided by 4. So you will get 1 by 2x minus 1 by 4y minus 1 by 4. So multiplying with 4, right, 4 by 2, that is 2x minus y, 4 and 4 get cancelled, minus 4 by 4 1 minus 1 equal to 0, which is the equation of the tangent. Now equation of the normal is using the formula y1 y into 1 minus x1 minus x into 1 plus g into y minus y1, that is minus 1 by 2 y minus 1, then minus f, right, minus 5 by 4 x minus x1, x minus 1 equal to 0. So y minus x minus 1 by 2y plus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 4x minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. So grouping x, y term and constant term, 1 minus 1 by 2y plus 5 by 4 minus 1 into x plus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 4. So taking 4 as LCM and simplifying, you will get 2y plus x minus 3 equal to 0, which is the equation of the normal. Next problem, if x square plus y square equal to c square and x by a plus y by b equal to 1 intersect sets a and b, right, then find AB. So first one is circle, x square plus y square equal to c square is a circle with center 0 0, radius c, and x by a plus y by b equal to 1 is a straight line, right. So this straight line intersecting the circle at 2 points, one is a and one is b. So AB is the chord, right. Hence deduce the condition that the line touches the circle, right. So given circle is x square plus y square equal to c square, that is 1, and the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This implies x by a plus y by b minus 1 equal to 0, that is equation number 2. The center of the circle is 0 0 and radius r is equal to c, right. This is the line. Given the line to intersect 1 at a and b, so a and b. So join OA and OB, right. So clearly OA and OB are radius of the circle, right, that is equal to c, right. Draw a perpendicular line from O to AB, right, which meets AB at M, right, that is the OM is the perpendicular line to AB, right, or the perpendicular distance from the origin, both are same, right, note that, right. So we know the length of the perpendicular from 0 0 to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is formula modulus c by root of a square plus b square. So length of the perpendicular from O to the line 2 is OM, that is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, right. So OM is equal to 1 by root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So taking a square b square as a LCM in denominator, OM which is equal to modulus 1 by root of a square plus b square by root a square b square. So separating the roots, right. So OM which is equal to 1 by root of a square plus b square by root of a square plus a square into b square. Root of a square b square is AB. So we will get 1 by root of a square plus b square by AB. So it can be write it as a reciprocal. 1 by x is x, right, x by 1 or otherwise, right. 1 by, suppose if you are having 1 by x by y, then it can be written as y by x, right, same idea. OM is equal to e modulus AB by root of a square plus b square, right. From the right angle triangle OMA, AM which is equal to root of OA square minus OM square. So AM which is equal to root of, substituting the value, c square minus AB by root of a square plus b square the whole square. So AM which is equal to root of c square minus a square b square by a square plus b square. So since M is the midpoint of AB, so AM is equal to BM. Therefore AM which is equal to AM plus MB or BM. So this can be written as AM plus AM, that is 2AM. So AB is equal to 2 into root of c square minus a square b square by a square plus b square. We know that condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c touch the circle x square plus y square equal to r square is c is equal to plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. To avoid the confusion, I am taking the capital letters here. The previous step they asked not equation of the chord AB, just length AB. That is why we found the previous, right, that is here. AB is nothing but 2 into root of c square minus a square by b square by a square plus b square. So length of AB, right. find the AB means they are not asking for the equation AB, right? So they are asking for the length AB, that is right. So condition is C, which is equal to plus or minus R into root of 1 plus m square. 2 implies x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So y by b equal to, so we are just rewriting equation y is equal to mx plus c. So m is the slope, that is obvious. So that is what we are rewriting the equation. Y by b is equal to 1 minus x by a. So y is equal to minus b by ax plus b. So m is clearly mx, coefficient of x, minus b by a. So capital M is equal to minus b by a, and capital C is equal to constant term, that is b. So also we know R is equal to C. So the condition for the line 2 touching the circle 1 is B, which is equal to plus or minus C into root of 1 plus minus b by a whole square. So that is equal to plus or minus C root of a square plus b square. A square is the LCM. So b, which is equal to plus or minus c by a root of a square plus b square. So AB, which is equal to plus or minus c root of a square plus b square. Squaring both sides, you will get a square b square is equal to c square. So square root will go, right, when you are squaring. So a square plus b square. So 1 is equal to c square into a square plus b square by a square b square. Therefore 1 by c square equal to a square by a square b square plus b square by a square b square. So 1 by a square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equal to 1 by c square. So we are deriving in the standard form, that is why we are simplifying. Otherwise the result is there itself. Condition is b is equal to plus or minus c root of 1 plus b square by a square. That is enough. But sometimes they will ask you to prove that 1 by c square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. That is what, right? So that is the required condition. Thanks.